The raw vegan pad thai, that's very easy to make at home. So look what we got, a lot of veggies. So you can choose zucchini to make the noodle instead of normal noodle, the rice noodle. So I'm gonna start to make the noodles by zucchini and carrots. These veggies we got from organic farm, our organic farm. So I have a magic machine right here. Then we can make easy noodle. So you can use with cucumber also. Now we get the noodles and the carrots. Peel the skin and use the machine again. Now we got the two colors of the noodles, the green, white, and orange. So next we're gonna make the pad thai sauce. That's very easy and easy to find the ingredients also. Here we got the almond butter, tahini sauce, liquid aminos, or soy sauce without gluten and sugar. Almond butter and tahini have a lot of healthy fats to reduce triglyceride and LDL. A little bit of soy sauce. Mix together. And some lemon juice. Or you can use lime juice. Now we got a lot of flavor that creamy, sweet from almond and tahini. And some salty taste of soy sauce and sour of lemon juice. Then we mix the noodles with sauce. So we're gonna put more veggies like bell peppers or cherry tomato to get more nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin E, and beta carotene. So now we're gonna mix it with the pad thai and the sauce together. So we garnish with almond slice to make more crunchy flavor. Then a flaxseed. So the flaxseed high in omega-6 and omega-3 also to anti-inflammatory. You put some lemon and chili to make them spicy. This menu is different from normal recipe. They have a lot of veggies and high nutrient, high vitamins, and high on healthy fat. You can eat it every day to fight the cancer, or you can eat for your good body, for everyone.